Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's start with opening the security, and here we have to tap on the security scan. As you can see, your device will scan itself and the payment environment and other sections in order to find any kind of malware or viruses. Of course, in my case, everything looks good, which means I do not have any kind of problems with my device, but you can sometimes find some malware or problems, and after that your device will of course show you the information about the problem, so for example the system update or the viruses which are on your device, and it will guide you through the whole process, which will allow you to get rid of the problems. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.